pain that you're going through. It won't last if you move how you wanna move. Get lost in the work that you gotta do to be someone better. You can grow into something new. I could be anything that I set my mind to. I do what I need, I can push right through. Fight through those things that are holding me back from the life that I like to have. I'm like, give me time, I'll be just fine. You thought I was worth leaving behind? You're out of your mind. I'll come back better than ever, no matter the weather. Greater than I've ever been, that's my new endeavor. Woo. I work hard so the sweat coming off my chin. On par with the greatest that have ever done it. I'm new, coming back better than before. But don't look at me, cause you close the door. So watch out and fear me now. I can get real mean if you sell me out. I can get real green, got me hulking now. I don't forget those things, don't hear me loud. I focus on myself, I focus on my health. The greatest revenge is building up yourself. Your life and your drive, building up your wealth. Becoming something better than you've ever felt. If you got dreams that you're chasing, the fear in your life, stand up and face it. Ain't nobody coming to help, you're all alone in this world, in this life, embrace it. I know it might seem hard, it might seem tough, it may sound rough, but this state of mind will get you through a lot of stuff and keep you accountable to stay strong when it's tough. No help, I do it by myself, couldn't even tell it, I've been through well. But on the other side came a soldier, much bolder, standing broad shoulders. Step aside and give me the controller, I came here to win, I don't lose, high roller. I wanna be the best in the game, yeah I came to play and invest, stay colder.
So what's in mga kapogi, nandito tayo ngayon sa Pretty Huge sa BGC Taguig para mag-team training. Mamaya itutur namin kayo dito sa napakalaking gym na to, dito sa BGC. And then later on, habang nagbubuhat sila, interviewin natin sila isa't isa. Kaya tara, samahan niyo kami mag-buhat.
And with that, the 2023 season comes to an end.
Siguro aside sa bodybuilding, no? aside sa resulta ng NBA, grateful ako sa journey, sa buong journey na to. Kasi dami kasing ganap eh. Grateful ako sa mga taong nakilala ko, sa mga taong sumubaybay, tsaka parte ng proseso ng lahat ng resulta ng nangyari na prep man at tsaka outside. Tapos grateful din ako kasi na at least diba na balance natin na yung natin, internship natin, tsaka yung prep. Successful naman yung prep. Successful din yung internship. So parang, yun lang. Fight lang ng fight, grind lang ng grind.
Lahat naman eh. Parang sobrang grateful ako this year lalo na everyday kasi everyday gumigising ka ng, hindi ka nagkakasakit. Tuloy-tuloy yung workout, tapos sa team parang tuloy-tuloy yung yung pag-grow ng team. Sa kasana, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. More gains sa lahat ng athlete ng Tatak na Lizard, sa ating lahat. And, God bless us all. Charot.
So first of all, I'm grateful for the fact that I have a job that can sustain my lifestyle kasi mahirap yung walang trabaho.
Unang-una, grateful ako sa pamilya ko tsaka sa girlfriend ko kasi syempre, kada tuwing magkakaproblema ako, sila yung unang-una ko nalalapitan. Tapos, syempre, binibigyan din nila ako ng advice kung paano ko ma-handle yung mga problemang dumarating sa akin, mga ganon.
Unang-una, I would like to thank my family, friends, and my special partner, of course, because there have been very supportive all throughout my journey sa fitness, and I was able to study fitness, got certified this year, and I was able to apply it sa mga clients ko, including my friends. And also, I'm very thankful kasi I was able to at least compete. Hindi naman siya ganun na competition, but at least I was able to challenge myself kung ano yung kailangan makita pa sa physique ko.
Una-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay God sa narating kong to. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Coach Kit, then nabibuild niya ako, then tuloy-tuloy lang yung progress ko, then nagpapasalamat ako sa team, sa friends ko, sa mga family ko. So sa lahat, mas dumadami pa yung client ko, mas marami pa ako natututunan. So grateful ako na narating ko to at makakarating pa ako sa mga magagandang gusto kong marating na makakalaro ako. Yun, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat sa inyo. Sa team natin, thank you sobra. Maraming salamat.
So this year is thankful ako sa mga friends, opportunities na marating sa buhay ko, and of course sa gains na nakuha ko.
Dumami yung kaibigan ko. Maraming salamat. Thankful ako sa lahat. Lalo na kay Jeremy Masinsin. Kanino ba? Yung mga nagbibigay sa akin ng knowledge tungkol sa bodybuilding. Tsaka sa family ko. Napaka-supportive nila. Supplements, pang-gym, pagkain, lahat. Tsaka sa tatay ko. Shout out!
Yung isa sa naging grateful ako ngayon taon is yung naging part ako ng team kasi kundi dahil sa Tatak Dalisay ay hindi ako makapaglaro. Yun naman. Tapos pangalawa is yung siguro nakabalik ako ng pag-aaral kasi nag-stop ako. Ayun. Tapos ayun, yung last November 11 lang nakapaglaro ako. First time ko lumaro ng bodybuilding. Okay, so yung mga grateful ako this year, first and foremost, syempre, yung nangyari sa Bataan. Grabe, yun yung first winning moment namin as a team. Alam mo yung worth it, yung papagalit, yung sasermonan mo yung mga athletes. Kasi gusto mong ilabas yung nila yung the best sa kanila. Gusto mong maging disiplinado sila dun sa prep na ginagawa nila. Actually, before that laro ng San Pedro, actually that's the start na medyo nare-recognize na tayo sa South as Tatak Dalisay. And nung ginawa natin yung laro doon sa Bataan, grabe yung ingay na ginawa natin doon. Marami yung naka-recognize kung gaano kadisiplinado yung bawat athletes sa prep. Sumunod yung KG. Actually, even though wala kaming naiuwi, pero grabe yung experience nung apat na naglaro. Grabe yung excitement nila to showcase yung mga pinagpaguran nila on the stage. Actually, recommended kong laruan yung KG for the athletes and syempre sa mga susunod na mga maglalaro. And syempre lastly, yung NBA. 1 month na siya pero grabe yung hype niya for the team. Grabe yung binigay na gigil sa lahat ng athletes na mag-push to maglaro for next year. Sobrang thankful ako sa mga athletes na kahit malayo, kahit na alam mo yun, hindi ko sila nakikita closely, pero yung dedication nila, yung discipline nila to follow the every step ng prep, pinakita nila yun on stage and deserve nila kung ano yung nakuha nila. Sobrang thankful ako dun sa mga nakapag-uwi. And syempre, thankful pa rin kahit yung mga hindi nakapag-uwi kasi nakita ko naman how did they follow yung every beat of the protocol. Goosebumps lang kapag lagi mong pinapanood or pina-flashback yung mga nangyari nung that day, nung NBA. The team knows how it is a historic moment for me. Grabe yung pag-angat nung bawat isa dahil doon sa nangyari na yun. Actually, isa pa palang thankful ako. Thank you kay Michael Napone Yung artist at na kumanta ng official soundtrack na Tatak Dalisay. Bro, grabe. Yung effect nung parang naging harmonious yung nangyayari sa team nung na-start na namin narinig yung Tatak Dalisay official soundtrack. It gives us more giggle to fight kung ano ba yung pinaglalaban namin as a team. Kumbaga, this year was a proof na as a natural bodybuilding team, pinakita namin yung uniqueness namin from other team. Hindi naman namin sinasabing they're not the best, pero alam mo yun sa kagustuhan ko as a coach na ma-recognize kami as a team. Kumbaga, every beat of na nangyayari sa amin, from board shorts, kanta mismo, doon namin kasi pinapakita kung kamusta kami as a Tatak Dalisay or kamusta kami as a team.
Saka looking forward for next year, siguro, since graduating na nga, sana maging successful lahat. Tsaka for next year din, pro show. Subukan namin maglaro, subukan namin prep. Subukan namin ibigay namin yung best namin. Subukan natin higitan pa yung pinakita natin last show. Saka yun lang. Sana pala rin din. Pero nakakaigat na yun eh. Basta bigay lang natin best natin. Tapos yun. Sana rin kasi pala ko naman mag-med school this next year if ever. Tapos sana mabalance ko rin yung prep tsaka yung
Looking forward sa mga maglalaro, sa mga pro show kay Jared, sa mga maglalaro kay Alfer, di ba? Mga bagong show nila, mga bagong kategory sa salihan nila. So yun, pagandahan niyang mabuti. Saka atin to.
Next year, I look forward to more opportunities and more and mas lumaki yung team natin. And yeah, magsi-silver na ako next year, so sana talaga more blessings pa.
Nilook forward ko next year sana maging maganda yung taon kasi kung nakaraang taon medyo di ganun kaganda yung nangyari sa akin eh. Nilook forward ko yung taon na sana magtuloy-tuloy na yung mga pinaplano ko sa next year.
Unang-una, yung mga bagay na nilook forward ko for next year, of course, since I am a graduating student, hopefully next year, graduate na ako. Sana I was able to complete it kasi sobrang hirap, unang-una. And also would like to look further. So kasi andito na si Coach and I need the guidance from Coach Kit and the team also, the rest of the team. Nilook forward ko at least to compete by next year and hopefully makapanalo tayo para sa buong team. Yun lang. Thank you.
So yun, by next year sana push ko na to, makalaro ako next year. Then nagpapasalamat ako kay Coach Kit kasi sa paggabay niya. Then sa team, maraming salamat sa suporta. So sana makapasok ako ng top 5. So di mo makapasok, bibigay ko yung best ko. So yun lang, pupush ko to hanggang sabot na hard makakaya. Maraming salamat.
So next year expectation ko sana maging smooth yung prep na gagawin ko and sana mapush ko pa yung limit ko or even surpass.
Cutting ako ng maayos, cutting na malinis, cutting na maganda yung result, tapos more gains. Tsaka sana kung maganda man yung maging cutting ko, mas maganda yung magiging susunod kong bulking. Tsaka yung sana ma-improve yung academics ko. Yun lang.
Look forward ko next year is magandang grades, tapos syempre unang-una na yun. Tapos pangalawa syempre makabawi sa next na competition natin.
Yun, nilook forward ko next year. Ito, maiksi lang to. Maraming lumapit after nitong NBA. For the prep next year, gusto ko abangan nyo silang lahat. Gusto ko abangan nyo kung paano magta-transform tong mga taong to. How they will be charcoal to diamond. Paano sila mape-pressure sa prep, paano sila magiging maganda on stage. So, excited lang ako actually kasi this year, saseryosohin ko na talaga yung prep. So, KG and NBA, yan yung dalawang main shows namin for this for the 2024. Kaya abangan nyo yung Tatak Dalisay, how we will conquer the stage. Gusto ko rin palang magpasalamat sa lahat ng followers, sa lahat ng viewers, lahat ng naging sponsors namin since nag-start yung vlog namin this year. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng naniniwala at nagtitiwala sa amin as a team. Maraming salamat. Sana magpatuloy kayo sa pagmamahal sa amin, and kami as a team bibigay namin yung best namin to represent what is natural bodybuilding is.
Yo, I just gotta hit it one time. Let's go! About to hit the gas for a minute, no cap, no limit. I attack till I finish, I attract and I get it. Got my cash all liquid, never pass my limit. Too fast when I'm spitting, read it back, now they get it on. Flipping that switch as I'm hitting these bars like a gift. I spit like I'm sipping gold bars to these kids, no kidding. I've been winning this and getting my best life dinner while I'm hitting on a mission. Ooh, spicy, I know they like me, but I got a wifey. She be real nice to me, no one works like me. Got a different mindset, my rate is pricey. Got a different psyche, ooh, lyrics are icy. Living life nicely, very precisely. Living divinely, manifest wisely. All I know is that I've been living for the sightseeing. Been around the world for a visit, first class ticket. Man, I'm in it, man, I'm winning. I don't have no limit. If I want it, then I get it. If she want it, then she get it. I ain't never done finished, I'm a giver. I've been giving first place, I've been winning 6 shots, head spinning, but I still keep ripping and I still keep hitting 2 ways. I'm splitting all in, I'm risking it all. Yeah, I don't ever fall. Yeah, but if I do, I get back up, stand tall. Yeah, I want it all. Yeah, a good life, I don't think small. Yeah, I'ma be big one day. See me taking off runway, my name up in lights someday. Looking at a crowd that loves me. Yeah, I came here to play.
I'm lucid, I'm not losing. This life is one I'm choosing. I don't stop, I keep moving. Just watch me as I prove it. Oh, I'm telling you I never let go. When I'm in a fight, put on a show. I create the life I want now. And no, I never back down. Depths of the fear and I teach them. There's meaning, life's in seasons. Find your will, yeah, find your reason. Be a demon, go and seize it. Live your life that you want, live it just so you please it. No weakness, we defeat this. In our mind over time we become, we believe it. Oh, I just wanna be a free man. Need a plan that can teach me how to be man. How to think, what to do, what to be in. Make moves, be the change in my own hands. Follow through, do what I gotta do. Prove what I gotta prove, move how I gotta move. Choose what I gotta choose, lose, I never lose. I'll be the one at the top when I'm done making moves. I'm lucid, I'm not losing. This life is one I'm choosing. I don't stop, I keep moving.